Let's explore the top blockchain development companies making waves globally. First, Ontier Solutions is a powerhouse with a knack for delivering tailor-made blockchain solutions. With years of expertise, they're your go-to for robust and scalable blockchain applications. Next on our list is Value Coders, a name synonymous with innovation. Their prowess in blockchain app development is unmatched, ensuring your business stays ahead in the digital game. Pixel Crayons. They bring creativity to the table, combining it with robust blockchain solutions. Expect seamless development and an edge in the market. Solulab is a trailblazer in blockchain technology. Their expertise spans industries, making them a reliable partner for transformative blockchain development. Efficiency guaranteed. Last but not least, Hyperlink Infosystem is a tech force to reckon with. Their proficiency in blockchain development ensures a future-ready approach for your business. Now that you know the top players, it's time to make the right choice for your business. Efficiency is not just a goal, it's a necessity. And these companies are here to make it happen. Remember, the key to success is in choosing the right partner. To know about more blockchain development companies, visit Value Coders blog at www.valuecoders.com/blog.